Hi guys, so here's the progress on the house. We got the sides all squared up and put in place, and now we're going to start on the roof. Okay, so the plan is to get some of these up there. Okay, I didn't record any of this just because it's kind of a mess, but we did get our compression ring hoisted up and set in the middle. Got some temporary bracing put up there to hold it in place. Well, we're getting a lot of use out of the engine hoist for lifting things. Okay, we removed some of the excessive scaffolding in here and put up some bracing, and actually got some trusses in place. There's 3 of them up there now holding everything up. Installed our lift pole up there, so now it's real easy just to lift them up. And I put the trusses onto this engine hoist to lift them past center. It's easy just to flip the tail up on the wall. Up here on the walls I have a couple pieces of scrap material, and I got this block in the middle to support that little wedge of wood up there as it comes up against the side, otherwise it gets hooked. So this holds it up temporarily while I'm up in the middle getting the truss put in place, and these hold the truss vertical. So far it's been a pretty good solution for getting things in place on this tail end of things. So just one hand to set that up in the notch. Okay, I know some of you are probably dying for the full experience, so some of you might want to turn your eyes away for a moment, but I think we're going to climb up here and take a look around. Each of the trusses have a station on this compression ring here, so there's a hole drilled for each one to receive a screw, and that just temporarily holds this in place. Eventually there's going to be a 6-inch steel band going around this to hold it all together. This is the lolly pole that I made for putting the steel sheet up onto our garage. It was attached to scaffolding, but fortunately it fits inside of the square pipe of this ring. It hooks into the square pipe of this ring nicely, so I got a good pivot point there and a place that I can hook the block and tackle onto. Not exactly an ideal location, but it's working out without too much trouble, so no use in changing anything right at this point. Okay, there it is, guys. The hip trusses are all installed. Starting to look kind of like a roof up here. And this is the jig for the center trusses. Basically just modified the hip truss jig a little bit and using all the same parts to make the center trusses with. We've got some of the center trusses already put together. And we got one of the center trusses set up. And that one's already in place, so one down, 17 more to go. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing, and as always, lots more to come.